Hello guys, today we are going to show you how can you change your profile picture on the Thread app. So the process is quite simple and easy. First of all, open your Thread app. After it opens, you will see your profile icon at the right bottom. Tap on your profile icon. Now simply tap on the option edit profile and you will see your profile icon. Tap on this one. If you want to import your profile picture from the Instagram, then simply tap on import from Instagram. But if you don't want to import your profile picture from your gallery, then simply tap on your profile picture. Maybe it will ask about your gallery permission. If it will ask, then simply allow. Now in gallery, search for your picture which you want to be your profile picture on Thread, like I am searching. So I like this picture to be my profile picture on Thread. Simply tap on your profile picture like I am typing on mine and tap on this arrow sign which is at the right top. Now you can also put filter on your profile picture like I am putting, and also you can edit your picture in Thread by tapping on edit icon which is at the right bottom. So for now I don't want to edit my picture. After done everything, simply tap on this arrow sign which is at the right top. After uploading your profile picture, simply tap on this done sign which is at the right top. So as you see, my profile picture on the Thread has been changed successfully. So by this way you can change your profile picture on Thread.